Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 9th, and this is my morning analysis for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the euro dollar did drift up pretty nice over the Asian session last night. It did pretty much exactly what I was talking about yesterday. Now let's see if it actually plays out like I said yesterday, because I was saying that this definitely looks like it should be an ABC. This first move down looks like it potentially could be a wave A. This looks like it should be like an ABC of B. We are at the 100% Fibonacci extension. I mean, it did go a little bit beyond that, but if it does turn at this level, then it very likely will go down, probably all the way down to this area, maybe even further to give us a break of structure for a wave C. Now, we are definitely very, very bullish on the higher time frames still. So that's why, you go down to these sort of time frames and you come up with a bearish analysis. But the problem with that is that all the higher time frames are still in an uptrend. There's really nothing stopping this thing from just continuing up like that. So I definitely think that the 1 hour time frame looks like it should make an ABC like I just drew right here, but we need to be a little bit careful sorting it because the trend is definitely still very, very heavily up. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.